Welcome to Tuti and Chongi Time Vlog. Say hi. Say hi, Tuti. Tuti, say hi first. Oh, say hi first. Hi. Yeah, we're playing. She's playing her dada's watch. Tuti.
Open.
Open. Okay, come here. Here. It's open. Open. Oh, yeah. There it is.
Rest now.
Yeah, no power. We have to charge it. Walang power yan. Wala. Balik mo dun. Balik mo dun. Dun. Tuti. Dun. Balik mo dun. Oo. Yeah, balik mo dun. Dali. Yan. Dyan. Very good. You wake up your babies. Yeah, wake up your babies and then we're gonna cook or you wanna play soccer. Tuti, you want to play soccer?
Yeah.
Oh, kick the ball. Here. Kick. Yay! Whoop! Boom! Shoot! Ang galing ni Tuti. Another one. Where are you going? Halika, dito Tuti. Come here. Saan ka pupunta? Tuti. No. Tuti, come here. Wag yan. Tuti, wag yan. No. Not that one. No. Tuti, mabagsak yan. Mabagsak ang kanyan. No. Don't get it. No. Come here. Dito. Magkukuk tayo. That's not a toy. It's not a toy. Oh, ito yun. No? Yung mga babies mo.
Madam,
Oh.
can you close the door, madam, and I can knock so I can give you water, madam. Madam, can you close the door, madam, so I can...
Okay, close. Careful. Oh, let's cook. You get some cook utensil there. You're cooking. Kunin mo, dali. Why are you crying? Don't cry. It's not a toy. You don't have to play with that. It's not a toy. Oh, there's somebody's knocking.
Morning, madam.
Uy, si madam. Ayun na. Binubuksan na.
Your water, madam.
Oh.
Okay.
Kinukuha niya yung lagay ng ano.
5 or 10 minutes, madam. 5 or 10 minutes, madam. Okay, madam. Approve. Okay, approve. Just wait for my knock, okay?
Okay. You wake up your babies. They're all sleeping. Oh. Yeah, wake up. Oh, who's there?
Madam, I'm here again, madam. Here's your water, madam. Is that cool, madam? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, madam. Wait, can I ask you a question, madam? What time can I come back?
7.
7? Oh, 7 minutes, not 10.
Yeah.
Okay, kiss me, madam. Can you kiss me, madam? Thank you, madam. Oh, madam, can I make a request? Can you cook me some steak? So when can I come so I can eat when I come back, huh?
Yes.
Okay, promise?
Yes.
And 1 egg, okay? And 1 hot dog, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just call me if you're done, okay?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Okay, you cook. Get your cooking utensils there. You know? Oh, sige. You cook steak and egg. Mimi told you to cook. Oh, sige. Luto. Oh, what's that? Ay. Wow. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Oh, dun, yun Tuti, oh. Get your steak and eggs there. Yan, sige, kunin mo. Yan, sige, luto ka dyan. Mag-cook ka. O, dyan, lagay mo dyan. Yan, lagay mo dyan. Okay, dito. Dyan. Dyan, sige. Kunin mo yung iba dyan. Sige. Oh, careful, ha? Careful. Yan, sige. Ano, di mo makuha? I'll get it for you. Ha, Tuti? Oh. Lika, kunin natin. Oh, tuti. Oh, ito na. Oh, tuti. Oh, ito. Oh, yan. Yan. Yun. Eh, sorry.
Sorry.
Yan. Sige.
Bingo.
Yan. Sige.
Chicken.
Okay, magluto ka ng egg at saka steak. Dali. Okay. Oop. Oop. Ako, what happened to it? Oop. Oh no. Sige. Nasaan yung steak at saka yung egg? Tuti, hanapin mo. Where's the steak and the egg? Tuti. Look for it. Dali. Yung steak at saka yung egg. Oh, dito ka mag-cook. Oh. Oh, yun pa. Oh.
Thank you.
Careful, ha? Careful. Sige. Yan. Sige. Oh, dyan. Yes. Very good. Oh. Yung egg. Nasaan yung egg at saka yung steak? Tuti. Yung egg at saka yung steak mo, nasaan? Oh, dali. Oh. Sige. Doon. Oh. Oh. Oh, get your egg at saka yung steak. Nasaan ang egg at saka yung steak? Dali. Tuti. Nasaan na yun? Ayun ang egg. Where? Nakikita ko yung egg. Nasaan kaya yun? Ayun ang egg. Yeah, very good. What about the steak? Nakikita ko yung steak, Tuti. Nakikita ko doon. Yung steak. Nasaan ang steak? That's burger. Oh, the other one there. Oh, near the broccoli. Where's the broccoli? I can see it. Nasaan ang broccoli? Ayun, ang broccoli. Ang steak. Nasaan ang steak? Tuti? Ayun, ang steak. Katabi ng... Yun, ang steak. Yes. Oh, sige. You cook it for Mimi. Here. Wow. What about the egg also? Put the egg here. Wow. Sarap niyan, Tuti. Oh, yun. Wow. Oh, haluin mo. Oop, wala, dinam. Dami niyan, Tuti, ah. Oop, wala. Ang dami. May egg, may steak. Oops. Talaga naman. Oh, haluin mo. Oop. Oh. Wow, ayun. Oop. Natapon yung broccoli, Tuti. Sige. Oh. Wow. Ang dami niyan, Tuti. Buta. Oh. Wow. What about the burger and hot dog? You cook also?
Yummy.
Yeah, the burger and the hot dog. Ayan, oh. Yan. Yung hot dog. Yan. Okay. Uy, mayroon pang watermelon. Sige, cook again. Wow. Yun. Haluin mo. Nasaan yung spatula? Oh. Up again. Oh, what happened? Oh, may cheese pa. Nasaan ang tomato? Nakita ko yung tomato. Ayun, nakita ko yung tomato. Oh, up again. Wala. Aba talaga. Oh, ano yun? Dump again. Oh. Yun pa yung steak, naiwan. Sige. Oo, naiwan. Atras dun. Sa gitna. Doon ka sa gitna. Doon, atras dun. Sa gitna. Oh. Ayun na naman. Dinamp na naman. Oh, nahulog yung ano. Ano yan? Butter. Yeah, that's the butter. That one is the, what's that? Banana. Oh, sige. Yay! Dump again. Oh. luto na, Tuti. Ha? Bigyan mo yung babies mo, dali. Bigyan mo yung babies mo. Oo, let them eat, dali. Oh, dump ulit. Naku. Oo, sige, bigyan mo ng babies mo. Oh, good. Dump ulit, oh. Nahulog yung butter, Tuti. Oh, hotdog. Oh, banana. Oh, what's that? Steak? Ayun, may butter. Oh, puno na. That's full already. Transfer to the other one. Yes.
Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle.
Yeah.
I'm going. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to hit the cameraman. Excuse me, Mr. Cameraman. I just check my food.
Oh, cook na, Tuti. You cook. Dali. Wow. Sus, ang dami niyan, Tuti, ah.
I'll be back. Okay, Tuti. Can I have a hug? Kiss.
Hug. Hug and kiss to Dada.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, so sweet. Kiss me. Wow. Okay. You stay and you play. Okay. I'll be back, Dee.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, madam.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Cute.
Cute.
Sige. Cook na. Wow. Sige. Ang dami na niyan, Tuti, ah. Yes. Oh. Dap again. Wala. Oh, nahulog yung egg. Yan yung steak, nahulog din. Wow. Oh, okay. Oh, dump again. Oh, dump again. Wala. Oh, what about your babies? Huh? What about your babies? They're not sleep. They're still sleeping. Wow. Okay, careful. Wow, you wake them up. Yeah. Careful, Tuti. Oh, I said. Oh, tabi mo yan. Sige, tabi mo. Yan. Okay, very good. What about the cover? Remove the cover also. Yun ang cover. Nasa likod mo. Yun nasa likod. Oh. Yan. O, listen mo. Oh, listen mo. Yan. The box also. The box. That one. The box. Yan o. Sa right mo. Yung, yan o. Yung box. The other one also. Yan o. Tuti. Ayan o. Yung box. O, yan. Yung box na yan. Wala na. O, sige. Okay. No more. Careful, ha? You want to check the BP? And there is your medical kit there, oh. I'll get it, Toti. Just wait, ha? Wait. Okay. I'll get your medical kit. Ito yung kanyang medical kit. Oh. Wow.
Thank you.
Welcome. Sige, you check the BP, ha? And the temperature. Sige. Oh, open. Okay, you check. Okay, you check, ha? Oh, check the BP and the temperature of your babies. Oh, sige, kunin mo. Yun. Wow. Sige. Check. Oh, yeah, and just, give them a shot. Okay. Whoop. Give them a shot. Okay. I'll get it. Okay. One each, ha? Shh. The other one. Oh. Oh, give them a shot. Oh, not there. In the mouth, on the hands. And leg. Sige. Yan. Very good. So what about the other babies? Oh, you check the temperature. Oh. Yeah, sige. Heartbeat. You check the heartbeat. Heartbeat. Yeah, check. Yun, yung isa. How about the other babies? You check. Oh, get the temperature. Oh, yung temperature ng babies. Ayun, oh. Yan. Sige. Kunin mo temperature. Yan, sige. Oh, kunin mo. Sige, kunin. Okay, that one, yeah. Oh, get the temperature. No, that's not. The other one is the temperature. That one is for the ears. For the ears. Yeah. No, don't put that in your ear. And for the babies. Oh, ears. Sa ears. Oh, to check if there is an earwax. Oh, the temperature. Get the temperature. The thermometer. Yan, ang thermometer. O, kunan mo ng temperature yung babies mo. Sige. Dili.
This one.
That one is the BP. Or blood pressure. Yeah, check the BP. Oop, 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 oop. Oh, high blood, Tuti. Oh, check. Yeah, check the BP. Oh, check the BP, yeah. Oo, lagay mo. Ha? Yeah. Yeah. Check natin yung BP. Oh, sige. Yan o. Hop, two! Best you. Oh, Diyo. Wala tayong pamunas, Tuti. O, sige, kunin mo yung BP ng baby mo. O, ito. Lagay mo dyan sa arm. O, dyan sa arm. Lagay mo. Yan. Paikot. Yan. Very good. O, sige. Lagay mo. Yan. O, sige. Okay na yan. O, oop. Oh, it's okay. Oh, press. It's okay. Tape. Okay. Okay. Ayan na. Nagka-tape na. Check. Sige, pump. Oh. Yo, high blood yung baby mo. Mataas ang BP. Oh. Oh. Mataas ang BP, Tuti. Oh, see? Oh, high blood. Oh, done. Oh. Mataas ang BP, high blood, Tuti. What about the temperature? Get the temperature. Ayan o. Ayan o. Yan ang thermometer. O, kunin mo yan. O, sige, tingnan natin. Yeah, kunin natin ang No, that's for the ears. No, here. For the baby. O, lagay mo. O, check mo yung ear niya. Dali. No, don't put it in your eyes. O, give me. Like this. O, check like that. Yan o, dito sa ears ng baby. O. Oh, what happened? That's a shot. Injection. Oop. Yes, very good. Injection yan. Oop. Ilan ang reading sa temperature, Tuti? Oh, tingnan mo yung reading. Ilan?
30.
Ha?
7.
37. may fever. Huh? Or normal, 37. Yeah. Oh, what happened? What happened to the nose? Oh, oh, where is the pacifier? Where did you put it?
Sitting.
You sit on it? Let me see.
See?
Nasaan?
Sitting.
Wala. Dito siguro yan, Tuti. Oh, nasaan ang pacifier? Oh. Wala. Nawala yung pacifier, Tuti. Ibale. You check your other babies, dali. Nandyan yata, Tuti, eh. Wala. Tanggal, eh. Wow, that's a shot, oh. Whoop. Not there. And the arms. Arms. Yeah. Shh. Yun. Talaga naman.
Baby. Dodo.
Dodo. Yeah. Oh. Bigyan mo ng milk. Oh. Meron pa? Wala na. Meron pa? Meron pa. Shh. Sarap. Juice also. Wow. Lemon juice. Orange juice. O, sige. More. What about the other babies? Give them also. Give them milk and juice. Milk. That one. Oh. Sige. Yeah. Oh. They are all sleeping, Tuti. Oh, ang mga babies mo dyan. Tulog sila, tulog. Gisingin mo. Wake up, dali. Whoop, whoop. Number 3. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, Tuti. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Oh, what else? BP? You'll check the BP again? Huh? Check mo BP? Oh. 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 Ang lakas ng ikot, Tuti. Oh. Ang lakas ng ikot ng ano mo. BP. Oh. 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 Mataas ang BP, Tuti.
Hands.
Hand? What happened to your hand? Huh? Ikaw, we'll check your BP? Huh? Okay. Hold it. Oh, sige.
No,
Oh. Okay. Let me see. Okay, put your hand inside. Your hand. Yeah. Put it inside. Yan. Ganyan. Pasok mo. Yeah, we'll check. Okay. Oh, high blood si Tuti. Oh. Oh. Ang lakas. Baliktad. Oh. High blood si Tuti Boot. Anong reading natin? Anong reading? 120/90. Huh?
30.
Oh, 120. Oh. High blood si Tuti Boot.
High blood.
High blood. Oh. Oh. Finish. You cook again. Huh?
D.
Oh, what's that? This is the temperature.
No, D.
Ano pa yan nandyan, Tuti? Huh? Oop! What's that? Tuti? Oh, what's that, Tuti Boot? Huh? What are you doing?
Tape.
Tape? You'll not cook? Huh? Tuti? Oh. Uy, pagod na si Tuti. Tired na ba, Tuti Boot? You're tired? Naku, magdanap na siya. Magdanap na. Nag-i-snore na yata si Tuti Tuti. Nag-i-snore na ba si Tuti Boot? Napagod na. Huh? Tired?
Mimi.
Mimi's outside. In the sala. Huh? What's that? What's that sound? Hear that? That's for the heater. Water heater. Yeah, hear it? Yeah?
Check it.
Where? Where will you check it? Huh? Where? Huh?
Water.
Oh, yeah? Where?
Water. Check it.
Where will you check it? Huh?
Water.
Oh. Saan?
Too big.
Nasaan? Oh.
Sound.
Oh, sound. Yeah, where's the sound coming from? Nasaan? Huh? Where? In the garage?
Yeah.
No, it's the washing machine, Tuti. Mimi's washing.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I thought it's the water heater. Mommy is washing your clothes and some of this. What's that? What's that? Volcano. Oh, where's the grass? Find the grass. Find the grass. Find the grass.
This
What's that?
green.
Ice cream. Oh, the grass. Where's the grass? What about the pen? Where's the pen? Where's the pen? Huh? Where's the pen? I can see it. I can see it at your... I can see it. There is the pen. Okay, very good. What about the jellyfish? Where's the jellyfish? Jellyfish, I can see it.
No more.
No more?
Hiding.
Hiding somewhere. Oh, I can see it. You're sitting on it. At the back, at your back. Yung jellyfish at your back.
There.
Oh, nasa likod mo. Tuti.
Ito.
Nasa likod. Ayun, ang jellyfish. Oh, what about the flower? Where's the flower? Tuti, where's the flower?
Hiding.
Ayan, oh, nasa back mo, nasa likod. Flower. Yun, ang flower. Yes. Oh. What's that?
Ako, bukas naman. Wala talaga akong lakas.
Hawakan mo lang, hawakan mo lang.
Tuchi,
Wow.
where is my steak, ha? Magluto ka na ng steak.
What's in there? What's that?
Coin.
Coins. You have coins there? Oh. Nasaan ang coins? Wala naman eh. Wala naman coins dyan? Nasaan ang coins? Wala naman ang coins eh. Wow, ganda naman ng bag. Nice bag, Tuti. Whoop.
Coin.
Oh, where's the coins? Oh, wala. Walang coin dyan. There's a coin?
No.
No. Oh, where are you going?
There.
Huh? Oh.
Coin.
Careful. Ah, there's the coin. Okay. Okay. Oh, put it there. Yun, ang coins marami. Oh.
Coin.
Get it. Open, open. Yun, nilaglag. Oh, sige, atras, atras. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Kita mo? Ayun ang coin. Oh, sige. Ilagay mo sa bag mo yung coins. Oh, oh, ayun pa. Ayun, nagkalaglag ang coins. Ayun, ang dami. Ang daming coins, Tuti. O, lagay mo sa bag mo. Oh, oh, daming coins.
Thank you, Titi.
Thank you. You're welcome, Tuti. O, there. Balik mo. Careful.
Oh no.
What happened?
More.
Never mind. You already have a lot here. Oh, marami na dito. Hayaan mo na
This
siya.
one.
Ah, you got it? Yes, very good. Oh, lagay mo sa bag mo. Lagay mo sa bag mo yung mga coins.
Oh no. But
Ha. Oh, yun. Dami. Daming coins. Oh, yun pa. Oo, yun pa. Oh, sige, ilagay mo sa bag mo. You count. How many coins? Tuti.
1,
Yes.
2,
3, 4, 5.
5, 2.
5. 6. 6 yung coins lahat, Tuti. 6 lahat yung coins. Okay, very good.
Short.
Lagay mo sa bag mo. Yan. Tapos close mo yung bag mo. Yan. Daming coins. Okay, close mo na. Lagay mo na dun. Yay! Daming coins.
Coin.
Oh. Sige. Dami. Oh. Daming coins ano, Tuti? Ha? Yes. Oh, lock it. You lock it. Kena. You cannot lock it? Let's lock it. Yan. Lock na. Sige. Oh, Tuti, bye-bye ka na sa vlog mo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you
Thank you
for watching Tuti
Tuti
and Chongi
Chunky
Time
Bye.
Vlogs. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, stop it. Okay. So close. Yep.
No.